Welcome guys. Today I'm here with Rosa Beauty and it says be natural, be comfortable. This is the packaging. It's just this, you know, teal plastic Ziploc bag. And once I go in there, once I open the bag, I see my wig. I also got this pouch inside, a polka dot pouch. Oh, and that's everything in the bag. So let's see if we got any goodies in this pouch. Yes, we do. I have a pair of wig caps. I have some pins. I have this clip. Great for sectioning your hair. Oh, it's actually two of them. And then I have this elastic band. That's everything that came in today's package. Then this is the wig that we're working with, so let's get into it. So guys, this is the wig that we're working with for today from Rosa Beauty. It's this gorgeous body wave wig. It is also a lace closure wig. I'm going to put the specific measurement and specification in my description box. But yes, it's a closure wig. It's a glueless wig, and you know, those are some of the most recent trendy convenient wigs. It came with this elastic band which is adjustable on the inside of the cap. This is what really helps the wig to be, you know, glueless. This type of security is what helps the wig to be glueless on your head. It's a regular dome cap. It doesn't have any combs or anything. Additionally, just this strap. So yeah, that's how that looks. This is how the lace looks as well. It has like a zigzag cut at the front, and it's very lightly plucked, so if you want to, you could go in and pluck it further. But it's also very flat, so that's really nice. I love that. And it's a natural 1B color. The hair feels very silky and smooth. All right, it is not super heavy, it's a little light. As I said, I'm going to put all the specifications in my description box. But yeah, that's how that looks. So let me go ahead and jump into this quick and easy, beginner friendly glueless wig application. Okay, so this is super snugged, like, because I adjusted my elastic band pretty, you know, tight. I didn't put it to the point though where I'd get a headache, but it's very snugged. I'm pretty sure you can see the lift. Let me do a shake test to show you guys how secure this is on my head before I do anything else. It's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere, okay? So I'm very pleased with that. I think I'm gonna run back through the hair with my curling iron just to refresh these waves, since, you know, I've kind of messed them up. But this is how the lace looks. If you want, you could go ahead and customize this one to get it to like bleach it, because it did not come bleach or anything like that. It's very lightly plucked, so you could also go ahead and pluck it further. But I feel like we can finesse it straight out of the packaging if you don't have all the time in the world to do that. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is get some powder to camouflage the lace a little bit, because it is casty. So we're gonna get some powder just to tap in that area. That's how it looks once I tap in the hairline with some powder. So I'm actually gonna do like 2 swoops, nothing drastic though, just at the side. This is how it looks so far without me, you know, redoing the waves. There isn't any part or anything in there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I still don't know what I want to do. If I want to do it, I think I'm gonna do a side part. I'm gonna do a side part. I'm always doing a center part in my closure. So today I'm gonna do a side part because I have enough space for it. So why not? See? It looks pretty good. And I'm just going to use my hot comb to just make sure that everything lays flat as I go along. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just run through the entire wig with my curling iron just to refresh the wavy look, the body wave look. Still looks good straight out of the package. So I'm all done with curling it up. Yeah, that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly, you know, finger comb through these curls. It's so nice and silky, like so gorgeous. Look at that. And the movement is beautiful. Like, yeah, it's giving. I just wish it was a little fuller for sure, but like the texture, everything is easy to manage, you know. It's giving glam, you know, that glam kind of vibe. And it's a closure, yeah, like glueless at that. Yeah, I'm loving it. I really am. I really am. Rosa Beauty, you did it. Glueless, absolutely new product. It is giving. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and order this for yourself, especially if you're a beginner, right? You want to switch up your look, you're tired for wear the same thing every day, and you want to get a nice, you know, trendy wig, but something that you could do on your own, especially if you don't have the knowledge like that for installation of wigs. So this is definitely an option. I definitely recommend shedding. Definitely there is shedding. It's on a minimal level, so do bear that in mind. But all in all, yeah, it's a pretty It's a nice standard closure wig. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. All the specification will be down below in my description box. Go ahead, check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.